What go on, my people? So, Mavado, the gully god, was defrauded by Jennifer Messado. The name sound close, right? Well, this person, a real estate lawyer, defrauded Mavado according to
Attorney Jennifer Messado was today granted bail in the sum of $5 million on additional fraud charges. She is accused of fraudulently collecting $30 million from dancehall entertainer Mavado and then $28 million from businessman Norman Horn and his sister to buy properties.
People defrauded Mavado $30.7 million. And 30.7 million people in figures is 30,700,000. You know what I mean? So Mavado was defrauded by this lawyer person. According to the Gleaner, Mavado gave her the money in 2017 to get a property. And when Mavado get title and everything, the owner for the property said that the land was not for sale. You know what I mean? So this case bring up now in court where they arrested her. You know what I mean? And she, as according to the Gleaner, she's notorious for doing these things because this is the fourth charge against her. And they only put it to $5 million bail bond. You know what I mean? So I don't know because this is the first I'm hearing this in any at all. You know what I mean? That's to show you how wealthy Mavado is. You know what I mean? So when the dog say, rich and happy, the dog wasn't lying. You know what I mean? Because right now, the $30 million, it seems like nothing to Mavado because this has been going on and nobody spoke about it. You know what I mean? Mavado could have leaked this in the Gleaner a long time, or leaked this in the Star, or leaked this in the press. You know what I mean? But to lose $30 million, like the dog don't even depress. Because he's just taking it easy. You know what I mean? Because only thing they reimbursed him, according to the Gleaner, was like $7 million. You know what I mean? So I don't know if Mavado is going to get any more of his money, but that to show you that the Mavado, the gully god, has been rich for a long time. You know what I mean? Because $30 million is not even shaking the dog pocket. You know what I mean? Even though he got back 7. But that to show you that the man really is rich and happy. You see me? So people, that's why I don't think Mavado had nothing to do with getting caught up in these violence that's going on in Cassava Piece, because I don't think he will risk all of that. You know what I mean? And I wish him all the best. He haven't flew back to Jamaica yet because we're trying to keep up to date to what's going on. And we haven't heard anything about Mavado, but we wish him all the best. You know what I mean? Big up to the gully god. Peace. I'm out.
I want to them for the one me set the chain. I could have want to them on them. Them I pretend we know I'm about friend. Clear up, but them for no me morning up. But me not in on the bossing. Me not join them I can't toasting. Them for no me morning up. I it's not like close pin. Me not join them I can't toast them. Now me not listen them when them I chat them red. New name for them call them a kin bad. Bad mind got full of them I chat them red. New name for them call them a kin bad. So me like fire. And I know bad mind I put my pot on fire. But me like fire. Like fire. One times I be burn them out like tire. Wait. Oh 5 me see them run with the gun way. Now all 9 them say forgot to rip the runway. Now listen dirty mouth, I saw them tongue steer. Them heart dirty, I'm mocky like how the gun steer. While them watching me striving for glory. None of them want gunshot fi bore me. But this year I shall done the true story. Me surely, them fi know me more enough. But me not in on the bossing. Me not join them a cantossing. Every gully big it up. Cause we not in on the bossing. We not join them a cantossing. Them fi know we more enough. And we not in on the bossing. We not join them a cantossing. Every gully big